Passing all 4 subjects of the GED test means you'll officially earn your high school equivalency credential. Scoring higher could even get you college credit to save time and money as you continue your education. GED test scores are broken down into these categories: GED passing score, college ready, and college ready plus. To pass the GED, you'll need to score 145 on each subject. If you score 144 or lower, you will need to retake that subject test. Beyond passing, the next level is college ready, for which you'll need to score between 165 and 174. College ready means that you will likely be able to bypass entrance exams and remedial classes and enroll in first-year college courses. The highest level is college ready plus, for which you'll need to have a score of 175 to 200. College Ready Plus means you demonstrated skills that are being taught in college courses. You may be able to earn up to 10 college credits. Please note that these are GED service recommendations. Want more info about your GED exam? Visit us at Pi International Education or on our e-learning platform at mypibd.com. Located conveniently at Dhanmondi, Siddeshwari, Banani, and Uttara.